Welcome back to the Just Sawdust workshop. As you can see, I'm trying to fix a kind of wall between the workshop space and the bed, because if you open the workshop and you got the workbench out and you're making sawdust, it wouldn't be great that all would fly into the van. So I'm making a kind of wall, but I'm going to make two doors in it, mainly because otherwise it's really hard to make the bed. So you have to, the bed is in the width of the van, so you really have to climb over it to make your bed. So when you can open those doors, you will still have room to make the bed. So that's the reason why there are going to be two doors that you can open. And on a nice day, of course, when you want to have a nap, you can open the doors. Maybe I make some fly screen there or something, and then you can open them. So that's what I'm trying to do. So let's see whether we can make two little doors in there. Well, they're in. And you think, well, that one is a little bit smaller than that one, but there's also a reason for that. When I close this door, I can still open this one. Otherwise you would have to open this door to, So that's the reason why this one is a bit smaller. And now it's just a matter of filling that gap up there and make some kind of a lock on there so I can close it down. Let's do that. that's my back, and I want to make a shelf here because that light doesn't really need to work because we're going to have a new light here, but still when you want to light the shelf, still possible. So now it's just making a little shelf, not too far because you could bump your head against it, but just maybe 15 centimeters or so where you could put things on. That would be nice. Well, I guess this part is ready. I put a few sliders on so it can close, and just a few things on the inside, and then load it up with some tools, I guess. So all my tools are in. I need to repair some doors and windows, restore them. So I've got marauders, chisels, hand planes, electric plane, drill, saws, jigsaw, skill saw, so, and all the small hammers and things like that. Everything's in there, and I still have these segments empty, so I could put the chairs in there, and there's room there and room there, so enough space. And on the other side, because it's only going halfway under the bed, there's enough space to put other stuff in. So I think this will work. I'm not gonna paint or do anything to it. I'm just gonna have a test run. We've got this in now, see how that works, and then when everything works out, we're just going to make it nice and paint it and everything. So yeah, this project is finished for now. So I'd say do some woodworking. It's a nice way to spend your time. Do some recycling. It's an even better way to spend your time. And see you all in the next video. At the logo.